Have you ever noticed this? Your TV looks absolutely stunning one day, and then the next time you sit down, something feels off. Dull, dark, just wrong, and you didn't touch a single thing. So what exactly is happening? This is one of the most frustrating TV problems out there, because it's completely invisible. You can't see it happening, but behind the scenes, your TV is quietly changing its own settings, on its own, without telling you. Here's the truth. Your TV is not showing you the same picture all the time. It's constantly adjusting based on what you're watching, a different app, a different input, even a different video. Each one can trigger a completely separate set of picture settings, so what looks perfect on one source can look completely wrong on another. And most people have no idea this is even a thing. Let's start with one of the biggest culprits, HDR and SDR content. These two formats use entirely different picture profiles on your TV, so when you jump from YouTube over to Netflix, your TV isn't just switching apps, it's switching modes entirely, behind the scenes. Brightness shifts, colors change, contrast feels different, and it all happens automatically, without a single button press from you. And that's not all. Your TV also treats built-in apps and HDMI devices as completely separate things, so the picture settings your streaming apps use, they're not the same ones your PlayStation or cable box is using. That's why no matter how perfectly you dial things in on one source, it never seems to carry over to another. Here's one more thing working against you. Your TV might be quietly adjusting its own brightness based on the light in your room. A sensor picks up how bright or dark your environment is, and the TV responds by shifting the picture. So in the afternoon, it looks one way. In the evening, it looks completely different. Same TV, same settings, different picture. Here's the good news. This is fixable. But you have to be intentional about it. Go into your picture settings while your content is actually playing. Don't set it in a blank menu. Set it in context, so what you see is what you're actually going to watch. Do this separately for standard content, for HDR content, and for each HDMI input you use. Yes, it takes a few minutes, but you only have to do it once. Then head into your power or general settings and turn off everything that lets your TV make automatic adjustments. Things like energy saving mode, ambient light detection, and adaptive brightness. These features sound helpful, but they're the reason your picture keeps shifting. Disable them, and you take back control. Once you've done all that, something clicks. Your TV stops second-guessing itself. The brightness stays where you set it. The colors look the way they should. And every time you sit down to watch, whether it's a movie, a game, or a show, it looks exactly the way it looked last time. Fix it once, the right way, and you'll never have to think about it again.